Hello, viewers. Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This is Thomas Including, and we are going to learn how to seal the back pocket for our trousers. And this type of pocket is the WELT pocket. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to seal the dart for the pocket. We have already learned how to cut the trousers. If you have not watched that video yet, the video is among our content. Please just go to the description button. We have the link to that video under it. You can watch how to learn to cut the trousers. So now we are done with the sewing of the dart. So what we are doing is we are going to just sew on top of the dart to make it lie very nicely. So now we are done with the sewing of the dart. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to place the main fabric that we'll be using for the pockets, and the length for it is 22 inches, depending on the measurement for the trousers that you are working with. So you are going to place it under it, under the trousers, just like this. So you find the middle of the fabric and make sure the middle is in line with where the dart is. So this is what we are trying to do. You find the middle of the fabric and make sure the middle is in line with the dots that you have already made. So this is how it is being done in finding the middle. So you just make sure it is in the middle, just like how it has been done in the video. So after placing the fabric under it, we are now going to place our facing on the pockets. Yes, in the face. As I said earlier on, you can just go to the description and you'll find the video on how to cut all these things. So now we have to find the middle of the size of the pocket. With this one, we are using 5.5 inch. So we're going to place the middle at where the dart is, as been shown in the video. So you just place the middle at where the dart is, so that half of the pocket is going to be before the dart and after the dart. So after that, we are going to seal the rectangular shape that we have marked. The rectangular shape that we have marked, we are going to seal that rectangular shape. This is what we are doing right now. We are seeing the rectangular shape that we marked. And the rectangular shape, it depends on how you want the size of the packet to be. If you want it to be half an inch or 3/4 inch, it all depends on how you want it to be. With this one now, I just wanted it to be half an inch. So now we are done with the sewing of the rectangular shape. So this is how it's going to look like after sewing the rectangular shape. And this is how it is being cut. I'm first going to mark it for you to see the shape of how it's going to be cut. So this is how the cutting is being done. Please watch it carefully how it is being cut out, so that we are not so that we don't make any mistake in the cutting of the packets. So you just, when you are getting to the edge, you cut it according to how it was being marked. Please make sure you don't cut through the thread, but it should be at the very tip of the thread. So you do same for the other side. So this is how it's going to look like. So now we are going to turn the facing inside the trousers. We are going to turn the facing inside the trousers. So this is how we are going to do it. We are turning the facing inside the trousers. So this is how it's going to look like. Please watch carefully. At this point, we are going to turn some part of the facing. So please watch the video and watch how it is being done very carefully. But so we are going to turn this part up. But what we're going to fold it to the shape of the packet of the place that we cut out. So this is how it's been done. You fold it upside down. When you're folding it down, you fold it in such a way that it will be at the tip of where you cut out. So this is how the folding is being done. Mhm. So after that, you open it up, you turn it and see this part. Just it is being done in the video, just like this. So we are done with it. After that, you turn the top parts to cover the down part, just like it's been done in the video. So after that, you pull the fabric that we are using for the packets up, just like it's been done, just like this, just like this. So this is how we are going to sew it. This is how the sewing is being done. So please watch carefully how it is being done. So I'm going to see along the place that we just shown. You do same for the other side. So we are just doing same at the other side. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share for others to watch this video. Share the link to your loved ones and your fellow fashion designers to learn from what we are doing here. So this is how it is being done. So now let us see how far our final work is going to look like. So this is how the outcome was, very neat and also nice. Very neat and nice. This is how far we have gone with it. Thank you for watching us once again. This is Summerson Clothing. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.